Mary Jane.
And I am Morale. We are from Deaf Explorer and we are planning this really exciting event.
Our event is called Away Days, Allies in the Arts Sector. Where are we?
We're at Iron House.
The Iron House is based in Birmingham.
When you first arrive and you go through registration, we will check your ticket and we will give you a lanyard with your name, your job, your business, ready for networking.
Then we'll move into this beautiful space here. Wow. Now we'll give you a mini tour of the venue. So this space is called the gallery, and we'll have workshops, masterclasses and networking in this space. And we'll display some visual art on the walls here.
We've got another space round here. Let's have a look. So similar to the gallery, we're going to be having workshops and different activities. Unfortunately, the table tennis won't be here. Sorry.
Sorry about that. Throughout the event, we'll have guest speakers just over here. And then we can have the audience all around. How many people have we got?
100 people.
Wow. Oh, it'll be beautiful. We have refreshments and breaks throughout the event. Where will the refreshments be?
In here. Let's go and have a look.
This is a nice, calm and relaxing space, and it'll also be where we're having lunch.
Yeah, there are plenty of restaurants and shops all around, such as Tesco. You can bring your food and chill out here.
Refreshments will be served from just over here. Even coffees and other drinks will be available from here. And on Wednesday night, the bar will be open if you wish to join us.
I can't wait. So when is the event?
So the event will take place from Tuesday the 26th till Thursday the 28th of March this year.
The venue is really, really accessible, and you can catch the train to Jewellery Quarter and get here in under 10 minutes, or the tram from St Paul's in under 3 minutes. There's also plenty of car parking for just £2.50 all day.
Oh, brilliant. We will release more information like the programme, who will be speaking at the event, and the different activities taking place. If you keep an eye on social media, we'll release it there. If you do want more information about the event, please contact myself, Mary Jane.
Make sure you get the date in the diary.
Yeah, get it in your diary.